everyone, welcome to another great episode of Make It Festive with Walmart. I'm KT, and today we are making this cute Christmas card holder that you can put up on your wall to display for the rest of your family. Let's get started. So first we're going to get this palette surface that you can find at Walmart in the surface area. Next we're going to get our apple barrel colors. Today we're using Snow White to base coat the surface and Red Apple to paint the clothespins. Next we're going to use some Mod Podge. We're going to use this free printable alphabet that you can find at plaidonline.com, and the link will be below, and some plaid brushes. Here are some clothespins, and lastly, find any ribbon that you would like to put on the surface to hang the cards. Okay, first thing we're going to do is use some Snow White to base coat our palette. And now that we've base coated our surface, we're going to get our letters out and start cutting. So the next step is going to be Mod Podging these down onto the surface. So now we're going to paint our clothespins. We're going to use this apple red. And last thing we need to do is attach our ribbon, and you can use a hot glue gun in order to do that.
For more project ideas and inspiration, go to plaidonline.com.